I really do think your 20s in a lot of ways are like learning what your body can handle, and that changes over time. But like that, I was drinking a lot.
As we're both at standing desks right now, I have I have back pain. I'm 40. Like, you're probably in better shape, you're much better shape than I am. But yeah. So,
yeah.
okay.
So like a lot of it was, probably the hours, but also like the fact that I was just like in an environment where I was drinking a lot more than usual. And, this is the most dramatic drop off in exercise that I had ever had, right? Like I'm an athlete, and like for the first time in my life, I haven't done anything for 10 weeks. Like I was just like a physiologically different person by the end of this internship. So like I am a worst practices person when it comes to like taking care of yourself during, an experience like this. But
You working 90-hour weeks, 100-hour weeks?
Yeah, I think I averaged a little over 100, but my worst was only like 115.
Oh, that's it, 115.